Welcome back, viewers. Today I'm going to be creating a little nightlight. I call it a nightlight. You can use it in your bathroom or your bedroom, or it's just going to be working on solar. And we're also going to be using Dollar Tree things, so it's really cheap. So I have this from Dollar Tree. It's a little solar stake lights for outside, but we're going to use it for a little nightlight. And this little vase came from Dollar Tree. It actually fits really perfect. Was looking around for vases. And then these little cups, they're just little plastic cups, not super big. Is going to be the lampshade. And then these here are the little stones that I got for a bag of them at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to glue these all over the lampshade so that we can make a cute little lampshade. I also got this from the Dollar Tree so that we can kind of give it a little flair on it. But yeah, let's go ahead and start working. So the first thing, this is going to be our little lampshade, is we're going to decorate it with the little rocks. And I'm just going to use my glue gun, and it doesn't have to be perfect or anything. I'm just going to stick those little things on there. And you can use the big ones, little ones. It really doesn't really matter because we're just kind of decorating it. Don't decorate the top because the little solar thing has to go through there so that it'll charge. You can use it inside and you can put it under a lamp or just like in your windowsill, and then it'll be charged, so it'll always be charged for you. I picked these little blue ones because I thought they were really pretty. And they're not, the same size, so it's just kind of random. Just a cute little cheap project. And it's solar. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I was just kind of putting them in there so that hopefully they're all different sizes, so you can kind of pick them and stick them in there. Try this one a little bit. There we go. Okay, so it's starting to look cute. And that's just a little bowl, little like olive bowl, I guess, plastic. So now I'm going to start here. You can see that. Ow. Ah, glue burn. Ouch. Careful with that glue gun. It's hot. Okay. And I guess you could use like seashells or buttons, but I like these little rocks, I guess you call them, from the Dollar Tree. I just think they're pretty. And I thought the blue ones were pretty. They had black, but I didn't like the black ones. I mean, they're cool, but not for this because I wanted to kind of shine through. See, it's starting to look really pretty. Bigger one in there. I think I can find a big one. There we go. Let's see how it's starting to look really pretty. I guess you can use beads. You can really use anything, but I think this works good because there's different sizes and you kind of push them around. Too little. You get a big giant bag of beads for $1.25 now. It's so cute. There. There. See how cute that looks? You have to kind of take the little glue off. Look how pretty that looks. That looks so pretty. So that'll be our lampshade for our lamp. So then you take this from Dollar Tree, solar stake light. You're going to pop this off. So we don't need that. That's part that sticks in the ground. We don't need that. And then you'll take the little thingy out of there. It's a little LED light, but it's off. So and then I'm going to put these little, to give a little color, a little base, and then put that in there, and that fits pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little glue, just to tack it in there. Not much. That way it don't wobble around. And then I'm going to go, you don't have to, but I got this from Dollar Tree and I thought it was pretty. I'm just going to put it right, see, because you kind of see that part of it right there. And you can put more beads, or you can put seashells, anything you want. But I'm going to put that like right there so you kind of can't see that little piece of plastic in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue that. Ooh, a little hot. Need another glue stick. Try to line that up. So now it looks like that. Take the glue off of there, but that's easy to do. But it looks cute. Here, looks super cute. And then we have our lampshade. We put it on the top there. And we have a little light. So it's like a little night light. And that's super cheap. 1, 2, 3. And then I bought this to put the little extra touch to it. So $4. So for $4, I made a little night light that you can recharge. And also, I had a little idea of putting, I got this as well. It had a little Christmas tree in there. So I made a hole in it to fit this because I thought it was cute. And I put it in there. I can also do that. So if you have like an old Christmas tree that you want to pull out of this little, I guess it's like a little plastic vase. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree, but it's been a long time. But then you have a cute little lamp, a little tiny lamp, like a tea lamp. But I thought I'd show you both ways for that. Oops, looks better like that. And then you got a little light. So there you go. Little Dollar Tree cute little lamp, little tea lamp, you could call it. Night light, put it in your bathroom, and at night it's going to pop out, and it's just enough light for you to be able to get to the bathroom, or I mean, you can put it in your living room, wherever you want. I mean, it's not super bright, but it's pretty bright in the dark. I'll turn the lights off and we'll see. Okay, so, and it kind of gives the little glare, little pretty. I think that's really pretty. Look how pretty that looks. And all I did was glue beads on a little plastic bowl and put that little thing in there, and you got a cute little lamp. I hope you like this video because I'm really loving this. I hope you like it. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and keep on watching. You never know what I'm going to do next. Talk to you later. Bye.